Hey friends, welcome back. Doing another unboxing here. Today I'm checking out the ring light. It's by Pixel. It's a 19-inch bicolor ring light with stand and wireless remote. 60 watt, 3000 to 5800K LED light spectrum here for vlogging and different video types of shooting. So unbox this thing. So this thing runs about $150 on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below and you guys can check it out there if you want to. And when I am done with this unboxing, I'll also do a review and demonstration video after I learn how to use this, and that link will be in the description below as well. Alright, so looks like it comes with a nice bag here. So that's kind of cool. Nice black bag. Alright, so put that gently down there. And in the bottom here we have let's see if we can get it out of there. It says light stand at the bottom of the box. At the extreme bottom of the box. So there it is. It's down in there. See if I can't get it out of there though. It's in there pretty good. Ow. Just got a bit of my thumb there. Okay. Got you, little fella. It's actually kind of heavy. Okay. That's that. So that's it for the box. Let us see here what we got. Let's check out the stand first since I'm here. Okay. That's pretty hefty, heavy duty stand there. That's it for that. All right. So this is actually like a tripod thing, and it's fairly good size here. So that's adjustable with these screws here on the side. You can, let's see. So this looks like it'll extend to probably about, that's about 6 feet high there. Seems fairly rugged tripod here. I have quite a few tripods, and this one's looks fairly sturdy here. Okay, so that's that. It has a attachment here on the top for you can put different cameras on there. Usually most cameras have that little screw there in the bottom where you can attach the device. So, all right, let's check out the ring light. First off, we got this bag here, and it comes with a nice shoulder strap, as well as just a regular handle here too. So we unzip this here and check it out. Kind of a nice little bag here. All right, so in here, there's more boxes. All right, so we have, let's see here, how to open this box. Okay, possibly like this. There we go. All right, inside here we have another holder. This is for your cell phones or whatever, and that's going to mount right on that screw that I just showed you on the tripod. Here we have a power cord, and probably about 6 feet long there. And this is going to, this one doesn't come with batteries. You can get batteries for it, but this doesn't come with it. And so we can run our light on this power cord and stuff. Here is another adapter there to put a camera on there. It has a remote control for just taking pictures. So with your camera or whatever, Bluetooth remote there, that's kind of cool. Has a little Velcro strap. And we got a adjustable swiveling like for DSL cameras or whatever, you can attach that to as well. Okay, so that's that. In here we have instructions, installation of stand, and other things like that. I wonder what's in this little box here. So a lot of little, you're actually getting several unboxings here on this one item, because there's a lot of different things in here. So in here is a, oh wow, that's pretty cool. Check that out. It's a nice little remote for the lights and everything right there. It's pretty snazzy. All right, that's that for that box. We have a lot of stuff here. All right, we are moving on. And I am pulling out the main light here. All right, so looks like this cover came off a little bit. Okay. And these just snap right on there. They're not glass, so it's not going to shatter on you. Wow. Here we have our part that attaches to the tripod right here. And this is adjustable in different ways you want to turn it, and you can lock it in place. We have an on-off switch, digital screen here. Knob for brightness control, channels, your power cord plug-in right here. While that's plugged in, it's got a USB 3 here, so you can put your phone on there and not worry about it running out of batteries while you're using your phone to record. Also, we got 2 places here for batteries, which, like I mentioned before, didn't come with. And here is the ring itself. So I have my phone right here, so if I'm recording or something like that, your phone's going to sit right in here, and it's going to use the nice light off of there, so you're not going to have weird shadow effect and all that stuff going on. So that's that. But wait, my friends, there's still more. All right, in this box we have, let's see if I can figure out how to open it. There we go. Just like the other one, like a pizza box here. Okay. That's kind of neat. So here we have different light rings too. So actually different colored ones. Now those just snap off like I showed you. So it comes with the white ones on there. And then you have red rings. So these are going to snap right here on your ring as well. Or these to complete the circle. So 4 of those would go around there like that. And we also have blue ones in here as well. So any different kind of lighting that you want, you're going to be able to accomplish it with these rings and the different lighting aspects that you can deal out with this thing. So pretty cool. As I said before, I will be doing a demonstration video. Hey, focus. There we go. And that'll be once I figure out how to use this thing and can show you guys. That'll be pretty soon. Okay, so the bag too, it's not only just a regular bag, but it has like a kind of like a foam padding in here too, so protect your device fairly well. So all in all, pretty cool little light here. I'm pretty excited to try this out and show you guys what it could do. So thanks for watching this unboxing video, and we'll see you soon. You guys take care out there, and yeah, have a great day.